So what's up mga homies? So nandito na naman tayo sa shop natin dito sa Notorious Motorsports. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami namin ginagawa everyday. Yan. Yung isa galing Bicol, yung isa galing Pampanga, tapos ito galing naman Valenzuela. So halos lahat ng mga kaibigan natin nanggagaling pa sa malayo. Mga homies natin nanggagaling pa sa malayo. So ngayon, ang ginawa namin project ngayon is Camaro na SS. So, ang gusto namin dito, paingayin, pabilisin, at pormahin. So, sa amin magagaling yung mags nitong project namin na to, itong tint, tsaka yung exhaust niya, headers, tsaka intake. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa namin. So, ang ginawa namin is quad tip. So, request ng customer, ganito yung gawin. So, ito yung ginawa namin. Naka-quad na siya. So, dual tip HKS. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-custom muffler niya. Tapos, nag-X-pipe tayo. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung pinaka-pipe namin. Tapos, ito yung X-pipe. So, ang purpose natin dito is mag-rumble yung tunog ng kotse. So, ito yung flexible pipe para maiwasan natin yung vibration. Tapos, nakakabit pa rin yung mga sensor niya. So, pagkatapos nito, paandarin na natin yung kotse. Tapos, kakabit natin yung bago niyang mags na galing din sa Notorious Motorsports. So, pakinggan na natin kung ano magiging tunog niya.
Yeah, busy counting racks up. Yeah, watch the money grow, let it stack up. Yeah, know I lose control when she back up. Yeah, oh, you know I'ma act up. Yeah, we could get away. Know you want the real, cause you sick of all the fake. Open your mind, let me help you escape. Open your mind, let me help you escape. Yeah, anyway, it ain't that deep. I don't trip about you, it's under my feet. Yeah, only competition is me versus me. Only competition is me versus me. Yeah, you can argue with yourself, it's no debate. Yeah, I don't give a about what you're thinking. Yeah, all in, I'm climbing up the rankings. Yeah, money snowfall like Franklin. Yeah, jump up on the vibe. Say that you don't like it, but you can't off a while. Say that you was hungry, but you bit off the style. Stepping on backs just to get off the ground. Anyway, it ain't that deep. I don't trip about you, it's under my feet.
So what's up mga homies? So ito na yung finished product na ginawa namin. So nilagyan namin siya ng air intake at naka 4-inch na Datatec siya na filter. So ito na yung ginawa namin na air intake para dito sa Camaro na to. So ngayon pakinggan na natin kung ano magiging tunog niya.